everyone, I'm Kurt Bryce Gutierrez of BSBA2E. And para sa Grow Foods po, meron po tayong manok, itlog, tsaka pechay. Para po sa chicken, ang benefits daw po na makuha natin dito ay the primary benefits of chicken include a rich supply of high-quality protein, essential vitamins and minerals, and its versatility as healthy low-fat meat option. Beyond consumption, raising chickens offers environmental and personal benefits. Makakuha rin tayo dito ng vitamin B, niacin, B3, B6, and B12 na vital for energy production, brain function, and maintaining a healthy nervous system. Meron siyang selenium, an important antioxidant that help boost the immune system and protect cells from damage. Meron din siyang phosphorus, essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Choline, meron siyang choline, a nutrient that plays a significant role in memory, function, and cognitive performance throughout life. Meron din siyang iron and zinc na necessary for oxygen transport in blood and supporting immune function. Next natin, pechay. Ang benefits naman na makuha natin sa pechay ay mayaman siya sa vitamin A na maganda na para sa ating mga mata at sa skin. Meron din siyang vitamin C for immunity and vitamin K para sa bones. Meron din siyang minerals that contain iron, potassium, and calcium for overall body function. Meron siyang antioxidant that protects our cells from damage, keeping skin healthy. Meron siyang fiber, aids digestion, fiber for aids digestion. Low calorie rin po siya, that great for maintain weight management. Next is egg. Ang benefits na makuha po natin sa egg ay powerhouse, providing high quality complete protein, essential, vitamin A, vitamin D, B12, and folate. Minerals, selenium, choline, and antioxidant katulad ng lutein at zeaxanthin that support brain, heart, and eye health, aid weight management by increasing fullness and boost immunity, making them a versatile, affordable food for overall wellness. The keynote real benefits of egg ay complete protein that contain all 9 essential amino acid that crucial for building and repairing tissues. Choline is a vital for brain health, nerve function, and cell structure, with eggs being a great source. Vitamins rich in vitamin D that help bones, health, immunity, vitamin A for vision, vitamin B12 that provide energy and for the nerve function, and also folate. Minerals, meron sa minerals that provide selenium, immune support, thyroid, phosphorus, and iron. Antioxidant, lutein, and zeaxanthin that protects our eyes from age-related damage like macular degeneration and cataracts. Meron din siyang omega 3s found in some na matatagpuan sa itlog, especially fortified ones, supporting heart and brain health. For go foods naman po, meron po tayong rice at patatas. Ang benefits na makukuha po natin sa kanin, rice provides quick energy from carb support digestion, especially brown rice with fiber. It's naturally gluten free and offers essential vitamin minerals, B vitamins, iron, magnesium that different varieties offer unique perks. Brown rice boosts fiber and antioxidant, while black, red rice are packed with antioxidant, aiding heart health, blood sugar, and immunity, making rice a versatile staple for sustained fuel and overall wellness. General benefits, nagpo-provide po siya ng energy source, high carbohydrates for quick and sustained energy, gluten-free, an excellent, easily digestible grain for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. Digestive aid fiber. Karaniwan sa mga brown rice, it promotes healthy bowel movements, while white rice is a low residue food for sensitive stomachs. Nutrient rich, contains B vitamins, phosphorus, iron, zinc, magnesium, and selenium. May 3 pong klase ng kanin. Una na nga dyan yung brown rice, higher in fiber, manganese, selenium, magnesium, and B vitamins, help with weight management and chronic disease prevention. Pangalawa, yung white rice, easy to digest, low in fat, calories, help restore glycogen, and is a good energy source for rapid refueling. And yung panghuli, red or black rice, high in antioxidants, phenolics, flavonoids, and lower in calories, offering benefits for heart health, skin, and reducing chronic disease risk. For potatoes, ang benefits na makukuha po natin, key nutritional benefits are rich in potassium that helps regulate blood pressure and support heart muscle and nerve function, often exceeding bananas. Vitamin C boosts immunity and skin health, acting as an antioxidant. Vitamin B6 that crucial for brain function and energy. Fiber found in the skin. It aids digestion, promotes fullness and support gut health. Antioxidant contain antioxidants like carotenoids and anthocyanins in colored varieties that fight disease. Complex carb, a great source of energy for the body and brain. Minerals also provide iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and folate, especially in the skin. For health advantage, heart health, potassium and fiber help lower blood pressure and reduce store risk. Digestive health, fiber promotes regularity and gut health. Bone health, potassium and phosphorus support strong bones. Immune support, vitamin C that help fight illnesses. Blood sugar, resistant starch form when cooked and cold may improve insulin sensitivity. And for the glow foods naman po, meron po tayong orange. Ang benefits na makukuha naman po natin sa orange ay packed with vitamin C that boost immunity that we need kahit na need ng balat natin na ang tawag ay collagen, and iron absorption, while also providing fiber for digestion, potassium for heart health, antioxidants to fight disease. and folate for cell growth, making them great for skin, vision, heart, and overall wellness. They support vision, lower cancer risk, and help with blood sugar, cholesterol, and reduce stress hormone levels. The the key health benefits niya ay meron siyang nakakapagbigay siya ng immune support with high vitamin C content strengthens your immune system against germs. For the skin health, vitamin C helps from collagen keeping skin smooth, elastic, and aiding wound healing. Heart health, fiber like potassium and flavonoids that help to low cholesterol, blood pressure and support heart function. Digestive aids fiber that promote healthy gut bacteria and regular bowel movements. Antioxidant power, flavonoids and other compounds fight free radical, reducing cell damage and chronic disease risk cancer, heart, chronic disease risk tulad ng cancer, heart, and disease. Iron absorption, vitamin C, that enhance the body ability to absorb iron preventing anemia. Eye health, contains vitamin A, lutein, and zeaxanthin protecting against age-related vision loss. Blood sugar, fiber help keep blood sugar levels stable. Essential nutrients, vitamin C, antioxidant that provide and protect cell and boost immunity. Fiber is promote digestive health and cholesterol control. Potassium, it helps regulate heartbeat and nerve signal. Folate, B9 essential for cell growth and DNA formation, crucial for pregnant women. And last is thiamine B1 that help the body process fats, carbs, and proteins. That's all po sa Grow, Glow, and Go Foods. At bilang panghuli, pagtapos kumain ay huwag kakalimutan na uminom ng tubig.